Manhunt large after murder of Burton St. Catherine businessman. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The community of Burton in St. Catherine is in shock following the tragic shooting death of 62-year-old businessman Joseph Lewis on Tuesday afternoon. According to a police report from the St. Catherine South Police Division, Lewis was attacked around 2:30 p.m. He was quickly rushed to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries shortly after arriving. Authorities have launched a manhunt for the perpetrators responsible as an ongoing investigation continues. No motive has yet been established for the murder, leaving both the police and members of the community puzzled and concerned. Lewis, one resident of the area, said was known for his contribution to the local business community. Police are urging anyone with information on the shooting to come forward and assist them with their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.